Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to use manual CPC bidding option in Google Ads. So if you want to use the manual CPC, manual cost per click option in your campaign, first you create your campaign with any bidding option, then publish your campaign. Then once you publish, then you go to the campaign list, then click your campaign and open your campaign. Then don't open your ad group. You directly go to the left panel and click on the campaigns. So once you click on the campaigns, you are able to see the settings here for your selected campaign. So click on the settings. So now you will see here the bidding option which you selected previously when you creating the campaign. So click on the drop down. Then you can see here change bid strategy option here. Just click on that. Once you click, you are able to see more option for bidding, but still the manual CPC is not here. So what you need to do, you need to click on the or selected bid strategy directly, not recommended option. Click on this. Then you go to the drop down menu again. So you can see here manual CPC. Now select the manual CPC and save. So it's already saved. Now what you need to do, open this campaign and go to the keywords. Then you can see the manual cost per click option will be there. So you can do the bidding for each keyword, different bidding price manually you can select. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you again.